right, the Wanton song by Led Zeppelin off Physical Graffiti. We got to do these really fast, so I just kind of go all over the strings there, but I'm making sure I'm muting everything. So first I'm hitting 2 big 3s here, and I'm going to be hitting the 5 over here on the D string, so I kind of already have my finger there ready for that. So I can hit kind of all the strings, so I can go really fast, but I'm not hearing anything because I'm muting everything around that. So we go 3, 3, 5, 5 on the D string, 2 more 3s, and that last 5 of the 2, you kind of hold that slightly. So on the 4th one, we're going to go to the top, kind of the bigger strings of an F7, 1, 3, 1, 2, go up 1 fret to an F sharp, so 2, 4, 2, 3, right back to the riff, so 3, 4. Here's the 4th one. So you do the same thing, you do 3 and then. So this one's gonna go 3, 4, 5, 3, 5. So that 3 is on the D. Okay, so 3, 4, and then 5 down to 3 and back. And then we do the octave of the D. So that's 7 on the G string, 5 on the A string. Go down 1 fret, 6 to 4, 5 to 3. Kind of a pick scratch and then a B flat chord there. A string, 1, and then 3, 3. So we got. So you got that. Okay, so we got. Okay, so you do that 3 times through all of that. 1 time is setting it up, and then 2 times is the verse. Okay, then we get into a bridge part. We got. Okay, so that's our next part. We got an F minor 9 chord. So I'm going 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, and 3. You could also kind of mute the A and have that 3 there on the D string if you wanted. Up to you. So after we hold that for a couple beats, we're going to come down and have 3, 1, 1, 3. We're going to hit another chord, pull the pinky out, so it's just a regular F minor at that point. So we got. Here's a diminished chord. We got 2, 3, 1, and 3. So 2 on the 5th, and then 3, and then 1 and 3. So we got. Now that is 1 on the G with 3 on the 2nd string, to the 4 on the 2nd string, and then we have a C minor 7. So starting on the A string, 3, 5, 3, and 4. Okay, so we got. And then, so we have the 3 and the 4 on the G and B strings. Go to the 3 and 6. So we have a 6 on the 2nd string, and then we're going to go to the 6 and the 3 down here in the bottom 2. So it's, and then we have another diminished chord, 4, 5, 3, 5, 4 on the A string going down there. So we got, and then we have a 3 and a 5 on the G and B. Slide the 6 to 8 on the 2nd string. This whole first part of the bridge was. Get into a new part. We got. There's like a reverse sounding guitar chord that happens there at the end of that whole thing. So first we have the little 3 5s. We're going to pull off, kind of hammer and pull off that 6 5 on the 2nd string, and then we're gonna go to those 2 middle 7s, and then we have like 3 of these 5s here, D, G, and B. So we got, we're gonna pull off that 7/5 on the D string, go to the 7 on the A, and then hammer in those middle 5s to the 7. We're gonna go to the 3s down there in the middle strings. So we got, and then this is gonna go 5/3 on the D to a chord 5/3 and 3. So we're gonna have chick-a-chick. We got the 3s to the 5 on the A a couple times there. So we got, so it's like chick-a-chick-da-dum-dum-dum. And then, so that time we kind of go to the 3 a little earlier. We got that 5/3 to 5 again. Now here we're gonna go. So here we have 4 to 5 on the A, to 3 on the G, 4, 5, 7 on the A, to 5 on the G, and then 6, 7 on the A to 5. So it's, okay, so, and then we're back to kind of the beginning part of this. Okay, so that was kind of the third piece, and it was just like the first piece. Then the fourth piece is, okay, and then we have these 3s here. That's kind of that backwards chord. So the whole bridge again, we got, back to, okay, so you do 2 full sets of that. That's your verses. You do the whole bridge again that we just did a whole bunch of times. And the bridge this time is going to end a little different. It's going to have, so, and it's kind of buried in the mix. You can't really hear much there, so you don't have to really worry about doing a lot. Now we're to the solo section. We're not going to do the solo. At the end of this page, I put the A minor pentatonic, couple positions, and the A major pentatonic, because that's what he solos in. He goes back and forth between those 2 scales a lot in a lot of his solos. So you feel the kind of dark blues and also the kind of happier blues. So the solo rhythm is going to start in this B flat chord here. We got 1 on the A string, 1 and 3 down here in the D. So we got, so 1, 2, 3 times on that, and then we're gonna have the open A with that 3. So back to this, up to the C. So it's gonna go bum, bum, ba-dee-dum, little honky tonk thing, and a big open string to get us back to the F. And then the big open string is gonna get us into an F chord after that. So we got, okay, so same thing on the F. Bum, 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 bum. Might have a little open at the end there. B flat. So that one just had a little more strumming on that honky. F. Okay, so that one is bum, 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 chick, chick, bum, 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 B flat. Now this last one, you don't do the open thing. F, 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 G. Then we get one of those backwards chords again. So the whole solo section is 3, 4. Now our outro is going to have that kind of feel, but we're not going to have to do the octave on it. So it's going to be, got that little walk in. We're going to go. So we go. So pick scratch to the 5. Same to the 4. And then we're gonna go B flat 3 times, and then A on the open A a couple times. I'll kind of use the thumb to block that when I'm trying to hit that A so I don't hit the E on accident. So we got. See how I'm like muting those bottom strings, leaving the A free, but then also muting the top one, so all you hear is that A. We're gonna do this 6 times. And on the 7th time, I'm gonna hold that B flat and the tune is over. Okay, so one more time, this outro, last time of the. Alright, the Wanton song, Led Zeppelin, Physical Graffiti. Hope you dug that. Got tabs with this. Talk to y'all soon.